It doesn't work like that. That person, Father Bia, if they curse, it will be cursed. If they bless, it will be blessed. They have the power and the potency to bless and curse. So then, when my father was 80 years old, he told us, if you pamper me, I will bless you. Then we knew that the power to bless had come to his hands. Oh, from 80 years to 100 years, Jesus, my father enjoyed every birthday special. Every 2 weeks, I go for him, drive him through Accra, go to places, go and sit somewhere, get something to eat, and all that. Every 2 weeks, he was enjoying that. Oh, my father blessed me. Oh, my father blessed me. My father really blessed me. Hallelujah. But many people didn't have that. Fathers pronounce curse. Abuni train obituary. Yeah, with three so. You know those things. You know those things. As I close the service, I want to use the opportunity to, tell you, listen to your father. He gave that to you. People are here. God himself touched your heart, brought you into this ministry, has grounded you. You are going through training and TTA. I love it. One time the young man asked me a very interesting question during the open forum. And then he said that, I heard some people talking about you in a very defamatory way, and I'm very confused. I said, then you are not a son. My biological children have heard so many things about me. They never ask me anything. The reason is because they know me. They know me. And because they know me, anything they hear is of no account. Because I'm an enemy Tiffy. They know me. And so I answered the young man by telling him, you are going to even hear more things about me. My assignment is such that every week you will hear something about me. It doesn't stop. It's been happening since 2016. Every week, and it's not the Umuana BFM, no, a weekly.